Welcome back to Noir Velocity, where we bring you the newest cars, the latest innovations, and the most exciting automotive stories before they hit the roads. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Opel Astra, a compact family car that proves you don't have to spend luxury money to enjoy premium styling, advanced technology, and everyday practicality. If you're searching for a vehicle that combines efficiency, comfort, safety, and modern design, stay with us because this might be one of the smartest choices of the year. The first thing you'll notice is how much more sophisticated the 2026 Astra looks. Opel has refined every line of the body to create a cleaner, sharper, and more confident appearance. The signature visor front fascia immediately grabs attention, while the slim matrix-LED headlights give the car an unmistakable modern identity. The sculpted hood, aerodynamic profile, stylish alloy wheels, and elegant rear LED light signature make this hatchback and sports tourer wagon look far more expensive than its price suggests. Whether it's parked outside your home or cruising through the city, the Astra has a premium presence that's impossible to ignore. Step inside and you'll immediately appreciate how far Opel has pushed the interior. The cabin feels spacious, modern, and thoughtfully designed. High-quality soft-touch materials, refined stitching, and a clean dashboard layout create an atmosphere that feels both welcoming and upscale. Right in front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster paired with a large touchscreen infotainment display. Everything is positioned perfectly for easy access, giving the cockpit a minimalist yet futuristic appearance. Comfort has clearly been a priority. The front seats provide excellent support for long-distance driving, while generous headroom and legroom ensure passengers remain comfortable during family trips. Rear seat occupants also benefit from improved space, and if you choose the sports tourer version, you'll enjoy an impressively large cargo area capable of handling luggage, groceries, sports equipment, or weekend adventure gear without any trouble. Technology is another area where the 2026 Astra shines. The infotainment system responds quickly and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration without messy cables. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, voice commands, connected navigation, and over-the-air software updates make daily driving more convenient than ever. Depending on the trim level, you'll also find a premium sound system, customizable ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, heated seats, and a panoramic glass roof that adds an extra sense of openness inside the cabin. Under the hood, the Astra continues to deliver a balanced driving experience. Buyers can expect efficient petrol, diesel, mild hybrid, and plug-in hybrid powertrains depending on the market. The engines are tuned to provide smooth acceleration, excellent fuel economy, and refined highway cruising. Steering feels precise, the suspension absorbs bumps comfortably, and the chassis remains stable through corners, giving drivers confidence whether they're navigating busy city streets or enjoying long motorway journeys. It's a car designed to make every drive relaxing instead of stressful. Safety is one of the strongest reasons families will appreciate the new Astra. Opel equips the 2026 model with an impressive range of advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, front and rear parking sensors, a high-definition reversing camera, and available 360-degree surround view cameras all work together to make every journey safer. Combined with a strong body structure and multiple airbags, the Astra provides reassurance for both drivers and passengers. Efficiency also deserves recognition. The hybrid versions are expected to deliver excellent fuel savings while reducing emissions, making them ideal for commuters and families looking to lower running costs. Maintenance remains affordable, and Opel's reputation for dependable engineering adds even more long-term value. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Opel Astra is expected to remain highly competitive. Depending on the trim level and powertrain, prices are expected to start at around €28,000, with higher-spec hybrid models reaching approximately €42,000. Considering the premium styling, advanced technology, spacious cabin, and comprehensive safety equipment, it represents outstanding value in the compact family car segment. So who is this car really for? The answer is simple. It's for families who need space without driving a large SUV. It's for commuters who want efficiency without sacrificing comfort. It's for drivers who appreciate premium design, modern technology, and practical everyday usability. The 2026 Opel Astra successfully combines all of those qualities into one attractive package, making it one of the most complete compact cars available today. What do you think about the new 2026 Opel Astra? Is it your favorite compact family car, or would you choose something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reviews, first looks, and future car reveals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.